Okay, engine's back in. This will be the first attempt to start this machine back up since I drove it into the garage in the wintertime. I have not charged the battery. I charged it about 2 months ago, but since then I have not charged it. I do have the idiot lights, chokes on. I have not tried the key yet. Let's see what happens. Oh, might help if I put the brake on. Nothing. Okay, we had a loose connection at the solenoid. Let's see what happens. Got oil pressure. That's a good thing. I'm going to push this a little bit farther forward and we'll try it again. I'm going to try not to spray anything down in the engine. I'm just going to try to see if it will get going on its own. Okay, so this is definitely going to be a cranker video for those people who have a fetish for that. I was originally thinking it was going to be more of a cranker wanker video, but it actually fired up a lot easier than I thought. Unfortunately, the charge light is still on. It could be charging, but it might be charging at a very low amperage, so I don't know. Like I said, I'm not pulling the engine back out, but here we go. Let's fire it up once more. It's a little bit smoky, but nowhere near as smoky as I thought it was originally going to be. Before I put the engine in, I pulled both spark plugs out and I spun it over, and some oil did come out of the cylinders. So, but hey, it actually sounded pretty good, other than that darn starter. So it still doesn't want to rev, most likely a little bit of dirty gas, but at least it's running. It should drive, and I can get rid of this machine and fund some more projects. More tractors, definitely, will be in order once this thing is gone and once the little red one's gone. So there we go. I know, sorry for the cranker wanker fetish people. It wasn't really a cranker wanker video, but it did take a bit. And it fired up without any issues and without having to prime the carburetor. So talk to them later. Please subscribe like always, and please share and comment.